Hi there, students. To befit, befitting, unbefitting. Okay, let me start at the end. Conduct unbefitting of a gentleman. So, behaviour that is not suitable, that is not appropriate to a gentleman. So, he got blind drunk, insulted everybody, attacked a policeman, and then vomited all over the floor. This is behaviour, conduct, you can tell the formality, unbefitting of a gentleman. So to befit, to be appropriate to be suitable for, to be right for, to be the right thing. So you need to behave as befits a gentleman. Very often we use as befits something. Do as befits your situation. Behaviour befitting a gentleman. Behaviour befitting of a gentleman. Behaviour unbefitting a gentleman. So notice to befit is the verb, befitting is the adjective, and unbefitting is an adjective as well. Okay, this word is very formal. You can't use it in an informal conversation. Informally unsuitable. Okay, so I need to find a job that befits my experience, that suits my experience, that is of a high enough status for my experience. Notice as well, to befit is an irregular verb. Befit, befit, befit. I guess you could also use it as a regular verb. Befit, befitted, befitted. Yeah, I think fit goes both ways. So, to befit, to be appropriate, to behoove or to behove. That's an even more formal word. To become. So, as becomes a gentleman, you should behave as becomes a person of your status, as behoves a person of your status. Okay, so let's see. She was buried as befits a person of her high status. She was buried in a way befitting of a person of high status. Notice the of is optional. Befitting a person of high status or befitting of a person of high status. I think the of makes it even more informal. You should wear clothes that befit the situation. You can't go to a funeral in a pair of swimming trunks and flip-flops and no t-shirt. Yeah? It's unbefitting of that type of situation. You must provide all the things that are befitting of an occasion of that formality. Okay, so to befit, to be appropriate to. Yeah? You need to find a book that befits your level of English, that is appropriate to. I think probably the example I've given there, befit, is too formal for the sentence itself, as is suitable. So, as befits a person of high status. This is a really posh word. It's going to make you sound really posh and really formal. Use it in a formal writing or a formal conversation. You can use this phrase unbefitting to criticize somebody, or to tell them off, to scold them, to be angry with them, because like that you put yourself in a very formal position. This behaviour is unbefitting. Okay, makes me very formal, makes me sound like the judge or the jury, even the executioner. Okay, so to befit, both regular and irregular, and very formal, suitable for the situation. So, as befits, I will finish with the traditional ending. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. Befit, befitting, unbefitting.